So we reached Chirai, and Chirai mein we are living in this Lego Leisure. I'm not sure you're able to see. It's Lego Leisure. Let's get inside. This is their parking area. They have the parking area here as well. So they have in front of this hotel they have the parking space, and एक छोटा सा parking space यहाँ भी है. Let's go inside. This is the sitting area. This is the reception area. Hi. Good afternoon. Your good name?
Don Thomas.
Hi Don. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah, we are also good. Yeah, thank you. So let's proceed to our room. This is the reception area, and on the left hand side we have quite a spacious restaurant where we can have our buffet, breakfast buffet, dinner and lunch. And now let's go to our room. They have different categories of rooms, deluxe rooms, and they have these villas as well. बट यहाँ का जो व्यू है काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. इट्स अ लेक फेसिंग रिजॉर्ट. It's not a beach facing, but it's a walking distance, only 50 meters to the beach. Background music is soothing. This is the Buddha they have placed, and you can see the view from here as well. And in the front you can see the lake. These are their premier villas, this one and this one, and they have this pool as well, a pool for kids as well. And this is the garden space, and this is the garden facing and the lake facing villa. And as you go forward, this is the lake. These are basically the backwaters, if you can see. Now let's see their villa. Lake facing villa. So if you can see, these are the steps. You be careful over walking over these. So let's go inside. Wow, nice. This is the living area, right? And this is the sofa cum bed as well. If you want to have a movie over here or in the living room, then you can make this as a bed. Can we see the view? This is the sitting area, and from there we have a very good view. Anik is here. Hey, hi Anik.
This is the view from the living area.
So as I was showing you from the outside, this is the pool for kids as well, and they have this garden as well, and you can see the lake from here. So before coming the bedroom, they have this fridge as well.
They have this desk with a beautiful drawers. बहुत बड़ी है, काफ़ी spacious है. And this kettle area and some snacks for munching.
These are the part of mini bar. They are chargeable, so you can see the charges. These are the charges, nominal charges. They have some drinks. This is the walking passage, and this is the back area.
Back area, right?
And
This
you
is
can
back
sit over
area.
here as well.
Now come to the bedroom.
Okay, Anik is busy with his poems and on YouTube. So yeah, the common connecting balcony over here as well.
So the view which we just saw, this is the way to get inside of that area.
So this is the back area. If you want to sit and relax, you can sit here. Okay, let's come inside. And this is the king size bed, and here also they have given 50 inches TV.
So this is the study area. ये सारा study area है. Then these are the wardrobes. A huge space.
They have iron as well, and
Iron and the iron board.
iron table as well. And these lamps are looking beautiful here.
Yes. See how it get open.
Nice.
Nice, no? So let's come to the washroom area. I'll show you. Very spacious. बहुत ही ज़्यादा space है washroom area में.
Oh, big mirror. Tree inside a bathroom. Wow.
Yes.
It's a real one, but they have cut their the upper part.
This is the shower area. Nice.
They have the hair dryer as well. So this is the overview of this room, their premier room, lake facing. So how you feel, Aanchal?
A beautiful room actually. I want to stay here for the whole week I can say. मतलब व्यू बहुत ही अच्छा है, बाहर का भी अच्छा है, अंदर का भी अच्छा
But
है.
we have limited time. Sorry for this. Okay. So ये था basic overview of this room. Let's get fresh and फिर हम आपको बताएंगे like how's their breakfast, like the buffet menu and how's their dinner.
How's the food, Nikhil?
Nice.
Nice. Really? Okay.
Is good, yeah.
Chili chicken is really good.
Let me try Manchurian. Manchurian also good, yeah. As spicy as we asked for. This is the night view of Lego Leisure. काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइटनिंग भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. डिम है बट अच्छी लग रही है. ये बीच में बुद्धा जी हैं. स्लो म्यूजिक क्रिएटिंग अ गुड एम्बियंस है. एंड दिस इज़ द लेक. आई एम नॉट श्योर यू आर एबल टू वेयर इट बिकॉज अब ये नाइट का टाइम है और ये थोड़ा सा वॉकिंग एरिया है यहाँ पे. ये इनके विलास हैं. प्लस इफ़ यू वांट अ डीलक्स रूम्स, सुपीरियर रूम्स, दे आर ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. इफ़ यू कैन आई विल शो इट. यहाँ पे जो रूम्स हैं ये सुपीरियर रूम्स हैं.
The next morning.
So today we are in Lego Leisure and reviewing their breakfast. So let's see what is in the breakfast today. Come. So these are the juices and the cornflakes and chocos with some fruits. This is idli, chutney, tomato and the coconut chutneys, sambar, appams, egg curry. These are bhatura. They are tried for North Indian style. Chana masala with bhatura.
Yeah, thick gravy, yeah.
Yes.
Chicken sausage for non-vegetarians. And these are
Medu vadi.
medu vadis. I haven't tried ever. This is kesari. I think the sweet dish, yeah. And then we have coffee and tea. And this is their ambience. Anik is waiting for his food.
Anik is hungry.
And this is the view. Yeah. The entry of Lego Leisure. They call it as a 4-star hotel. And it looks like also. तो बीच यहाँ से सिर्फ as per them only 50 meters है. We have to go this straight, take a right and few steps away there is a beach. So beach पे चलते हैं. Then we'll show you how far it is. Yeah. We just took a ride and सामने ही beach है. If you can see. बारिश की वजह से आई थिंक हाई टाइड्स हैं. बहुत ही ऊपर तक आ रही हैं. मुंबई से तो काफ़ी अच्छा बीच है बट हाँ छोटा है बट इट्स क्लीन. पानी भी क्लीन लग रहा है लेकिन थोड़ी हाई टाइड्स है. अनिक से हाय. माई का है माई. ओ बीच चिराई बीच लेगो लेजर से सिर्फ 50 मीटर्स पे ही है. मतलब ये मेन बीच नहीं है. मेन बीच 2 किलोमीटर आगे है. विपिन बीच कहते हैं शायद उसको. पहले हमने सोचा था विल गो इनसाइड दिस बीच, इनसाइड द सी, बट नहीं. व्यू इज़ ऑसम है. देयर आर रिजॉर्ट्स ऑन द रोड एज वेल बट वो 4 स्टार नहीं है. तो वी प्रेफर्ड 4 स्टार होटल. दैट्स व्हाई वी टुक लेगो लेजर. इट्स ऑन द बैक वाटर्स, नॉट ऑन द फ्रंट ऑफ द बीच, बट द व्यू इज़ ऑसम फ्रॉम बोथ द ऑल द होटल्स. या एंड यू कैन सी दिस कोकोनट ट्रीज, कोकोनट्स हैं इसमें. सो दिस इज़ द मेन चिराई बीच. ये हमारे होटल से 750 मीटर्स पे है. एंड यू कैन सी पीपल एंजॉइंग, बट इट्स रेनिंग, तो अभी तो मैं भी बीच में नहीं जाऊंगा. या इट्स अ नाइस क्लीन बीच. एंड इससे थोड़ा ही आगे जाएंगे तो एक विपिन बीच भी है. इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे, बट इट्स रेनिंग heavily. Not sure you are able to see it or not. Yeah, so if you are preferring to stay in Chirai, yeah, if you are on a tour of 5 days, then you can prefer this Chirai one day for Chirai beach as well. Or you can stay in Kochi and you can come for 4 to 5 hours to see this beach. This is a very nice and clean beach. Very few people come here, and you can see बहुत सारे resorts यहाँ पे हैं.
एंड यहाँ अनेक पूल में मजे करते हुए. अनेक कैसा लग रहा है? Woo! अभी यहाँ पे ज़्यादा गैस नहीं है, तभी हम थोड़ा अच्छे से कामली इंजॉय कर पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर. अनिक को स्प्लैश करना बहुत पसंद है. अनिक एक बार स्प्लैश करो. दिस इज द बैक वाटर एरिया फ्रॉम द रिजॉर्ट. सी द व्यू, कितना ही ब्यूटीफुल है. पूरा रिजॉर्ट के अंदर से ही आ रहा है ये कनेक्ट. ओह वाओ, दिस इज द होल रिजॉर्ट. सो वी रियली इन्जॉय द स्टे हेयर इन लेगो लेजर. काफ़ी अच्छा एम्बियंस है, काफ़ी गेस्चर इनका काफ़ी अच्छा, इनके स्टाफ का काफ़ी मज़ा आया हमें यहाँ पर रह के. और यहाँ का फूड भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. एक्सपेक्टिंग है नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड इन द रेस्टोरेंट, तो इन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा प्रिपेयर किया कल हमारा डिनर. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियोज़, so please like, share and comment on this video. Also connected for our more videos on the travel vlogs or the hotel reviews or the restaurant reviews. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and happy. Bye.
Thank you.